Right, well, thank you very much. Good morning. Well, it's here, as Kevin says. Thank you very much for joining us. My name's Deborah Greaves. I'm the head of school for the School of Engineering, Computing and Mathematics. And I'm just going to give you an overview of the school, first of all, and then we're going to go into the subject talks from each of the associate heads from the different areas. So our school is combines subjects within engineering, computing and mathematics. It's very much focused on preparing students and graduates for a future career, dealing with some of the big issues of our time. So one key thing is the digital transformation, which is felt in all areas of life, so-called Industry 4.0, the industry of the future and how digitalization will transform that. And also, of course, climate change and environment emergencies. The engineers, the computer scientists and the mathematicians of the future will create the solutions that underpin how we improve people's lives for the future. So a really important role there. And we're focusing the school on that. So within the school, we're thinking about, by bringing these different subject areas together, how they need to, how students or graduates of the future will need to understand in their careers across boundaries of traditional disciplines. So looking at ways to integrate those disciplines so that the students have a really broad base and understanding within engineering, computing and mathematics. And we also have navigation and maritime science in the school. So it's really an interdisciplinary approach, a whole systems approach to these technical challenges and the solutions for them, working across the school, within the school, and also with disciplines outside of the school. And we're also aiming to be a beacon for equality, diversity and inclusivity. We've recently been awarded our Athena Swan Bronze Award, and we're very strongly in favour of increasing the underrepresented groups, the number of underrepresented students from within those groups in our school. So we have a strong element of our strategy towards that. Our vision is to, we've got staff who are really passionate about their subject areas. So we want to we want to maintain our excellent and inspiring teaching. We also have very strong research culture within the school, and we'll talk a little bit about that. And then with an international and also strong contribution to the region, and to grow our reputation for engineering, computing and mathematics for all of these, through all of these ways. We've recently been ranked in the Shanghai World Ranking as 2nd in the UK and 11th in the world for our marine and ocean engineering work. So let's just think about the products of our school, the students that we produce and the careers that they go on to have. So these mathematics students have gone on to have careers in marine science and in medical statistics, tackling some of the key global challenges we face for all of our futures. In engineering, civil engineering is moving away from its traditional roots, and now we see adaptive intelligent systems within engineering structures. So we need our engineers of the future to understand more about how the electronics embeds into the system, sensing, control, and adaptation of these structures. So we need our students to have that broader base. In mechanical engineering, we're seeing changes as we move with Industry 4.0, integration of robotics and coding into digital manufacturing and so on. These skills are crossing boundaries. And then our graduates in navigation and maritime science. Navigation is an area that's really benefiting from the digital revolution, if you like, connected systems, and needing to have good understanding of computer science and also data security as well. So there's a snapshot of some of our students and the careers that they go on to take up. Within the school, we have 6 different subject areas. It's a large school, and you're going to hear more about each of the subject areas and the the programs that we have within each subject area. Civil and coastal engineering, computing, electrical and electronic engineering and robotics, navigation and maritime science, mathematical sciences, and mechanical and marine engineering. In each of these subject areas, we have a range of undergraduate programs and postgraduate taught programs, and all of them have a foundation pathway as well. I would like to just give a little bit of a flavour of the sort of research that's covered within the school. So as well as a strength in teaching and some really exciting new programmes and traditional programmes as well that we have within the school, we also have some very strong research. Much of this is aligned with the three main themes of research for the university. So one of those is medical and health technology. We have people working in medical statistics and big data, data science and artificial intelligence in the health environment, also developing new biosensors and diagnostics with new materials technology, and medical engineering and nanotechnology, looking at nanomaterials in implants and other situations, and also robotics in health and social care. So working across disciplines with other areas of the university in these disciplines. And then within the marine theme of the university, we have a very strong area in offshore renewable energy. We have some very nice facilities, wave tanks. We do a lot of computational modelling as well in this area. And we're looking at offshore renewable energy structures, AI, artificial intelligence and optimization in the way that they're managed and utilised, cybersecurity to protect data, and autonomous robotic systems for inspection. And then within the materials, marine composites is another strength of ours. Within sustainability, then looking at marine litter and how that can be recycled, reused, and minimized, looking at heritage structures in waves, nanotechnology, in global research and earthquake damage, community engagement, and then the development of aerogel filtration systems for water sensing. And then beyond those three themes, we also have very strong research in security and communications and networks, and in theoretical physics, including quantum field theory and lattice, laser particle physics as well. So a very strong and varied range of research and disciplines within the school, lots of opportunity to collaborate and work together, and for our students to experience a really wide range of activity. We also have some very nice facilities to support the research and to support our teaching as well. This is a picture of our coast laboratory, which is a very world-class hydrodynamics facility for marine and coastal engineering work. But we also have investment coming up or being made at the moment in some very exciting new facilities. We have a new building on campus, which is going to provide us with a range of new facilities in engineering, computing and robotics, and new spaces for teaching. So this is the building, what it will look like on campus. It's due to be completed in the first part of 2023. Here are some images of it. And if you know campus, this is the Babbage building, the existing Babbage building, which is being sort of recycled and added to with this large additional part and redesigned inside. And then I think we've got a nice little fly through here to show you a little bit more about the building. So within this facility, we have laboratories for structural engineering, for structures, and for mechanical engineering, for materials. We have facilities for nanotechnology and clean room facilities. We have laboratories for materials analysis and characterization to support that research, for robotics and control, and energy laboratory as well. And this is connected to the marine building where we have our hydrodynamics laboratory. It's connected to our high performance computing system and the numerical modeling work that we do there, and also to our other computing laboratories. So here is an image of what the new building will look like as it sits on campus. And it's got a very nice learning spaces, new lecture rooms and teaching rooms, and also social space and sort of free learning space for students as well. So a really exciting new environment there that will be opening, as I say, in the first quarter of 2023. Okay,